Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our remodeling design that we're working on, like I have told you that my work is what I call for. So this is the ground floor plan. What we did in the last episode when we were able to create this one and put them in place. So what does this symbolize? We have one bedroom flat. We have what do we call it again? We have a studio apartment, which is two. Then we have one self-contained, which is normal. So one thing that I have not done there is that I have not created the slab for this. Let me quickly create the slab, then we'll move on from there. So I'm going to say floor. So I'm going to do that fast. So I'll be able to continue. Change this to 0. I think I have here now on my project when I was setting there. So I'm going to say it here and remove this. So cut this off and then delete this. So click finish. I have it in place. Now this is the stair hall. There's nothing I'm going to do on the stair hall. The next thing I want to work on is to work on the first floor plan. So before my concept is that you understand when you are doing the work like this, you should know where your staircase fall into. The staircase fall into this place. How is the orientation? They're not going to take front to enter. They're going to enter through the middle side. So I'm going to go first floor plan, which is here. So the grid line are here. So I need to see the underlay. So underlay, let's say level 1. So level 1 will reflect. So it's from the level 1 I'm going to do the work I want to work. And now you can imagine this one particular. You see that a little bit of cantilever is there. So we maintain something like similar so that we'll be able to get the idea right. So let's go on. So I'm going to go back to where I'm designing, then by working on it. So I will say what I can do is that I will copy everything I have under there and or this side. Let me copy only one side. Okay, like this side, let me copy it. And I will say copy to clipboard, then I will bring it to the level 2 and then just paste. So what's there I'm going to use to do the work I want to do. So align to the current view. So they are there. So remove this one. I don't need it for now. So from this one I can be able to do whatever I want to do. So let me just focus on one side and then I'll come back. Now, according to what we want to do here is that we want to get four occupants compared to 2 or flat before. Understand what I'm saying? So according to what was designed there, originally designed on that land, is that this side is occupied by only just 2 people. But this time around we want to make it 4, so that one, another one, another one. Now this one is not going to be relevant here. The reason why it's not going to be relevant here is that the pattern is supposed to be what's uniform. So we are not going to be using this pattern to justify this, because if we mirror this to this side, it will never go where it will not attain to any meaningful thing. So we'll close it down. So now let us go on and do the needful by focusing on this only part, only this side. Then we'll delete that side to achieve our aim. So I'm going to delete all the internal partition here. Let all them go. So I'm going to close this one down. Just close it. So here you remove this one as well. So I will have a complete design procedure starting from this side now. Sorry, what have I done? Let's escape. What is it now? So delete, save the project. So click here, click the, what is your program? Intercept to remove. Something with this mouse has cost me rubbish. So just click finish. Okay. Click here. Exclude the parts. Okay, let's restore by clicking here. It's giving me an headache. Okay. Let's say similar. Just delete it. I don't need it. It's just giving me a headache. So now click and say create similar. So from the stair or you start your work. Okay, then you close this down. So I think we have everything in order. So now I have to focus on the, so this one I'm going to have it here. Let me see what I have. Then this is the bedroom, isn't it? So I have the bedroom there. So this is the bedroom that I have there. So there's some other area that I need to work on, like this place. So I'm going to click here and I'll click here, see. Okay, I think I have it. So the bedroom, the living room is going to be this line 442, and like this one is going to be 3. I think we are getting there. So this is going to be like complete this. Okay, so what I need to do now is to focus my attention on how I'm going to design everything that will be more generally acceptable. So the first line of action is how we say entrance to this particular building should be, let's say, door from the stair or it's going to be here. So when I have it like that, so the next is that I will extend this one to outside because I want it to have balcony. So let me just zoom out a little bit. There's no light again. This thing can get off. I don't have a quality battery to run the whole thing for a long period, but I'll try my possible best to finish this side. So this is the one side apartment, this is the living room, and then the dining inclusive at this level. So this is going to be the kitchen. We are going to have a kitchen here. So I'm going to click there and then I will replicate this to this side. So that's for that. So the next thing I need to do is that I will like divide this into 2. So what I have is that I'm going to create something that will give me peace. So this side I'm going to do it this way. So let me just use that pattern to engage the kind of content I want to do. So I have it now like this. So okay, NEPA brought the light back. Good. So I will bring this one to the half side. So I will create arc to this place. So this is my kitchen. So we are not going to enter kitchen through this place. We are going to enter kitchen through this side because I'm having dining here. So I'm going to have the door of the kitchen here. So along this side. So this is going to be free for every other decoration whatsoever. Then the inside one is going to be, because there's not going to be visitor toilet here, except I decide to create one, which the client did not ask me to do. So I'm not going to create what is not necessary. I'm going to have another door here. So this one is going to be for the toilet. Understand? You enter into a narrow space and do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to have my washing basin here, shower here, washing basin at this edge. Then we have the whatsoever is going to be here. This is going to be like entrance, and do whatever you want to do here. You want to urine, so because there's no visitor toilet in that place, since it's a single family, so it's going to be more easy. So we have that in place. So now we have a place for cupboard or wardrobe, whatsoever you call it, or closet. So it's going to be here. Fine. So that is just what we need to create at this level. I think we are done with the needful thing to put in order. Okay, so because of that, we are going to check search and making sure that, so I'm going to delete this, just delete. So while you select everything at this side and do proper mirror for them, good. So excellently well, it's perfect. So one job going to create, same time I'm going to expand this. I'll say create similar thing. while we draw this to this level, then we reduce this to trim this, just trim it. So yes, the same thing too. So that is it. Now you can remove the underlay. I don't need it anymore. So the underlay is gone. Take this one off the hook. So take this one away as well. Take this one away and join this together with this. So let this one be here and this one to be here. So that's the apartment, the flat here, another flat here. What is going on here? Just click similar thing. Okay, so in the next tutorial or whatever, we're going to do a proper, so we have gotten what we need to get here. So this is going to be like the dining, and the dining is going to be here as well. So from the kitchen you enter here, you enter into toilet for, because nobody except for, so we're going to use that as well. So the next thing we do here now is that we shall now focus on annotate and whatsoever. But before then, you can just click on component and bring bed, so that the furnishing aspect is going to be more attractive and left region. So here we have, let's look at the bed sides. Okay, here we have this to be placed here. Then we have to be placed here. So you can delete this and recreate it if you feel like you want it to have the same things here. You can do this, create similar, and change it here. So when you select this, the mirror, so why you delete this? So that is it. So you have kitchen here. So let's quickly do the small annotates to represent it. So we have, let's say, kitchen, then toilet and bath. Understand? So you can select them like this and change their size. You say if it's too big, you can just like search around. This is what I have created though, but if you feel like you want your home, just click edit, then duplicate to suit your, so that's how you do. You should be able to suit your curiosity. Change this to 2. Then I'm going to change this one from stencils to stylus. I think I like stylus. So that's all. So it's okay for you. And components, you can still bring more components, like selecting like this domestic. So you can just bring it here, just put on one side. Understand? Make it on one side. Then select more, like washing basin. If it's something that you can just like put, then put it here. Then the next is the shower tray. So you see how you arrange everything in a single position. So this one now, when you have them, all the series in this single space, what you just need to do is to mirror them. So let's quickly get whether we get kitchen cabinet. So okay, we have kitchen cabinets here. So let's change this one to, I think we have the longer one. Yeah. So this one will be okay. Can put it here. So this side you can serve as well. It's a normal small store area. It's not covered, it's open store. So it's just going to be like that. So for here now, you can now just mirror everything, but you delete the internal. So let's say mirror. It takes time to do, but worth it. So just delete this. Okay, so let's quickly create the floor. I'm going to do that fast. Good. So the same thing happen here. Can just like drop this. Do the same thing. So what you do, break this and break this. So you trim them, trim and trim, trim and trim, trim and trim, trim, trim. I think you're done. So you can finish. Okay, continue. You've not trim one side. Something's wrong with it. Is there any issue again? Good, fine. So that is it. You have this in place. So in the next tutorial, we are going to design the staircase before we now move to the upper floor and do the two-bedroom flat for 3 occupants. So how it's going to be, we are going to see the design. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.